Hi, we're News360 and we're launching our iPad application today at demo. It's live in the App Store right now, so go and check it out. But our idea is we're news aggregators, sort of like Google News, but a lot smarter and on the iPhone and the iPad. So let me show you our iPad application. What we do here is we aggregate more than 1,000 different news sites, identify all the companies, people, brands and locations in every article, and use that information to give you a very concise and useful look into what's going on. So we can take a look at the top story today about Obama warning workers that, I get their health workers that are being vilified. And in the text, both the little extra that we give you and the original that we're loading there at the bottom from Bluebird, you can see these highlights into the news participants, all the people and companies that made this story happen. And if you want some background on, for example, Senator Scott Brown, all you have to do is tap on him and we'll give you an encyclopedic profile with all the background information, where he works, what party he belongs to, where he was born and which university he went to in this case, and all of the stories about him for the past several months. If you wanted to follow Scott Brown and see what's going on with him every day, all you have to do is add him to your stories. And what this does, it allows you it adds him to the list of all the topics that we think you're interested in, and allows you to just use one feed that is going to give you all the important stories about Scott Brown and, in my case, Google, Microsoft, Apple, Steve Jobs, and a whole bunch of other topics that I find interesting. And we can import this information from your Facebook profile. So all you have to do is connect to Facebook and we'll see all the pages you've liked, all your interests, where you work, where you went to school, and use it to construct this list, which you can then edit. If you don't want to read about Muammar al-Gaddafi, all you have to do is drag him off. If you want to read about the latest trending tech companies, just select tech. We'll show you who is trending in the news right now. And if you wanted to, for example, follow the Amazon Kindle, you just drag it to your list, tap done, and you're going to get news about the Amazon Kindle along with all the other important stories that have happened. So for example, I have News360 in my list, and here's a story that came out today in Read Write Web covering our launch. So this makes me very, very happy. And of course we can use that semantic data to give you other very cool and useful stuff like local news. So you just tap here and we'll either use your GPS or you can set a specific location. So I've set Moscow since that's where we're based. And this is going to give me all the local news about Moscow.
So, and this is available now?
Yes, this is available now. It's free. So if you have an iPad, then please go check it out. We also have an iPhone version out that's been out there for a couple of months. It's not as impressive, but it's still very, very useful.